Welcome to the tutorial. Today we will see how can we get the COVID-19 cases or how can we track the COVID-19. Okay, so let's start. So for this we need to install the COVID library from the Python community. So you need to go to a terminal and type pip install COVID on enter. So requirement already satisfied in my case, and in your case it will take just some time and will get installed. So let's now start some coding. So we will type from COVID import COVID. Okay. Now let's initialize it using COVID equals COVID. Okay, now we can print any country's data. For example, let's say we want to print the US data. So let's type cases as COVID dot get status by country name. Okay, so here if you type any country name, its data will be stored in the cases. Okay, so let's here I type US. Now let's print the data. Sorry, cases. Now let's run the program. So here as you can see, this is the data and the country is 18, sorry, ID is 18, country US, confirmed cases 36 lakh and active cases 24 lakh and deaths 13,000. Okay, sorry, 1,39,000, and it's a huge number, and recovered 11 lakhs. Okay, so this is the information in the dictionary form. So now let's convert this into the normal form. So we will use the for loop. So we will print the cases like ID equals this and country equals US and confirmed cases equals this. Okay, that is not in the dictionary form, just in the normal form. So let's for x in cases. Inside the dictionary cases we want to print the x, that is the like the ID, or you can say this is the key value here, which is here as you can see this is ID and country, confirmed, active, death, record. Okay, this is x which is representing them. Okay, so now let's separate them using colon. We want to print the value. Okay, so let's type cases x. So cases x will print the value for the x key. So now let's run the program again. So here as you can see this is ID 18, country US, confirmed cases, active cases, deaths, recovered. Okay, so now let's try to print the data for the whole world. Okay, so let's type print COVID dot total deaths. Sorry, let's type total cases. Okay, get total cases, confirmed cases. Okay, so now let's again type print and COVID and let's type total deaths. Okay, so this will print the total confirmed cases of the whole world and this will print the total deaths of the whole world due to COVID. So now let's type COVID dot, now let's see the active cases, current active cases, and let's also see the recovered cases. Okay, let's type cat total recovered. Let's print the data. So here, as you can see, the first is this, that is around 1 crore 41 lakh. Okay, so this is 60 lakh, this is, so this is the data. As you can see, confirmed cases, total deaths, total active cases, and total recovered. So thanks for watching the video, and the source code link is available on our site copyassignment.com, so you can visit our site, and the link for the source code will be available to you in the description.